because growth story of India cannot be written without the immense contribution of the public sector banks. And in that line, we are sitting here. As regards this, our contribution for this women empowerment and also for the education loan, better credit facility to both to students for education loan and also to women empowerment like SHG and Stand Up India, all these things. So we have had our suggestions. The suggestions will be sent to state level. If it is found satisfactory, it will be at national level and it will be implemented throughout India on all PSPs. So this is a path-breaking event, and I hope and sincerely think that it will really create history for India. And the suggestions I cannot tell you because it is to be accepted, but we have given a lot of suggestions. How we can, in SHG also there are a lot of bottlenecks are there, how SHGs can be effectively used as a micro-level credit management, and that we have also discussed and are submitting our recommendation to the state authority.
So what kind of suggestion has been sent actually?
Suggestion means, because that SHG, they start with a micro-level, small one, so they should be treated as entrepreneurs. So the bank's role to making them entrepreneurs for a next, going to the next orbit next, on the next higher level. Then we have suggested few measures, what type of support banks and government should give so that they will go to the next level.
So do you think that it will be implemented soon actually?
We hope so, because whenever we have given some suggestion thinking that it is the best suggestion, but best is still to come maybe. Some other zone, some other banks must have some ideas. But our main aim is that whatever is there, it is to the betterment of the SHG sector, if it is in SHG.
What are the hurdles do you think is it? What are the hurdles, hindrance?
And in SHG particular, what happened, the hand holding is missing now. So once we give a loan, then we should not forget, we should really carry on with them. There should be forward and backward linkage. When they are in small groups, they create something. They have hindrance in getting the raw material or infrastructure and also selling those. So as bank also, we can also have them linkages, both backward, giving them or supporting them in raw material and also selling their products profitably through our bank, we have a lot of customer base is there, through them also we can sell their products so that they get some proper benefit and they can go ahead.
अच्छा मिश्रा जी एक बात थी कि
उसके लिए कोई भी हिंड्रेंस हमारी तरफ से नहीं है, लेकिन आप ऐसे सहमत होंगे whenever we are taking the loans and it is continuously for last 7 months we are getting the and it is increasing. So we are really one of the leaders in giving mudra loans. As far as the rate of it is concerned, it is the lowest, and recently also we have cut down our rate. Yeah.
how much
10.25.
10 to 9 and 9 to 10.
9 10.
Between 9 to
like a
10.
personal loan huh?
Not
No.
less than personal loan.
13%.
Personal loan 13 to 14 is there.
Maximum 10%.
9.5 to 10 point something.
Because you see our MCL, our marginal cost of fund is only 8.35. So some because there is also risk weight is there, we have to provide capital for that, whatever loan we are giving with 100% risk weight. We have to have some margin. Because you also want it is a commercial bank. Though we are doing social and also discussed today, so we should have a balancing between the social banking also development banking, both we are doing. So being a commercial bank, without earn certain things, then it is very difficult to sustain ourselves. Because you know that when the 5 trillion economy concept will come, the government has to infuse 4 lakh crore capital to the public sector banks. 4 lakhs, it is not a small amount in 5 years. 5 years. Where from government will bring? So we have to generate that income also from within also. Last time also when 2,75,000 crores was given by government, so 0.6 also was by the banks. So that by that we have to earn some profit also. Without profit we cannot sustain ourselves for a longer period.
For this recently we reduced our MCLR 1 year from 8.65 to 8.35.
tell us something about
Now that we have to align, this meeting was for this only, this 2 days conference, realign ourselves. We are already aligned. Again we have to recapitulate and have a bottom-up consultative process so that we hear from all these people who are working on the field what they feel about that and realign ourselves to the national priorities. That is one of the agenda item. National priorities are many. So many means it is agriculture, It is MSME, it is also education loan, SHG, Jal Shakti. Prime Minister has come out with that. Jal Shakti is also one of that. Blue economy, that is one of the top, because we have to have the economy, which is blue economy, which is eco-friendly. So all these things are there. So we are realigning ourselves to these national priorities and bring India to next level.
Small entrepreneurship will increase in this.
Yeah, because here in this level, we have not discussed about the industry and the infrastructure. Because this is a grassroots level. We have, I told you, yeah.
Easiness in the banking.
Yes.
Easiness is the banking.
Yeah.
This is your purpose actually.
Yeah.
So will paperwork reduce also?
Yeah, that also we do have. So we should be simplified and hassle-free loan delivery system by the banks. That is also one of our recommendations. We cannot go for the, it's maybe robust but not complicated documentary procedures. That should be reduced. That is one of our recommendations also.
There is some corruption at the level of verification. It happens with everything, like you cannot stop it.
Whatever corruption you are thinking like that.
Sir, there must be some actually. I'm just, like, no, I'm not talking about you just.
No, not you. Whatever the corruption that we would not discuss here. When we are going for the growth path, no corruption. The stray instances are there. Always there are some that we cannot go on that. Corruption part will not. We will discuss about only development.
नाम बताएंगे पहले.
अजीत कुमार मिश्रा, हम जनरल मैनेजर बैंक ऑफ इंडिया मुंबई से आए हूँ. हम यहाँ 2 दिन से consultative process, bottom up consultative process was going on with ideation. So I am here to oversee and also support our Chandigarh zone in achieving the goal, whatever it means.
सर हिंदी में बात करेंगे कि अभी 5 ट्रिलियन अर्थव्यवस्था का टारगेट रखा है सरकार ने, तो बैंकों का उसमें क्या रोल है. दूसरा सवाल है कि एमएसएमई के लिए बैंक क्या कुछ कर रहे हैं.
ठीक है, जो 5 ट्रिलियन अर्थव्यवस्था का चल रहा है वो 2025 तक उसको कंप्लीट करना है. 5 साल हमारा पास है. एंड उसमें क्या होता है, जो बैंक क्रेडिट का बारे में हम बात करेंगे, अभी हमारा 80 लाख करोड़ करीब हमारा बैंक का क्रेडिट है. इफ़ वी हैव टू अचीव, तो हिंदी इंग्लिश मिलके कैसे कर सकते हैं, जो हमको ये 5 ट्रिलियन इकोनॉमी डॉलर इकोनॉमी को हम जाएंगे, देन वी हैव टू डबल आवर क्रेडिट. सो फॉर डबलिंग द क्रेडिट, सो बैंक हैज़ टू गो फॉर 80 लाख करोड़ लोन बैंक एज ए होल, एंड आवर कंट्रीब्यूशन पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक का करीब 60 लाख करोड़ तक वो रहेगा.
इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के लिए होगा या कलेक्टिव होगा, सारा कुछ मिला के?
जहाँ आपका ट्रिलियन डॉलर ट्रिलियन इकोनॉमी को आप जाएंगे, $5 ट्रिलियन, नॉट इन रुपीज ट्रिलियन, द टास्क इज ह्यूज. द टास्क कैन नॉट कम ओनली फ्रॉम द स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज और MSME. सो इट शुड स्टार्ट विद इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. सो देयर विल बी infrastructure funding in a huge way. That will come up for discussion in the next step in state level, but there is a huge scope and we have to do it for infrastructure lending. Then it will follow MSME, because here also we discuss when you go for MSME, that's why infrastructure is necessary. So infrastructure is created, then we will go for the other things.
लेकिन जो योजना एमएसएमई के लिए चलाई गई हैं वो लोगों को मिल नहीं पा रही हैं, और बैंकों का एक खास रोल होता है एमएसएमई के लिए, लोगों को लोन्स लेने होते हैं, तो वो लोगों को नहीं मिल पा रहे हैं ठीक तरीके से. लोगों को अब कभी स्ट्रगल करना पड़ रहा है, लोगों को पता नहीं होगा योजना किस तरीके से लोन लें, किस तरीके से बैंकों इनकी हेल्प कर पाए.
नहीं मिल पा रहा है, ये सही नहीं रहेगा मेरा ख्याल से. नहीं मिल पाया तो बैंकिंग अर्थव्यवस्था बढ़ रहा है, बैंकिंग का एडवांस का पोर्टफोलियो बढ़ रहा है. आपका जो मुद्रा जो योजना है, जो जानकारी के बारे में के हर ब्रांच में, हर शाखा में, हर जगह मुद्रा लोन के बारे में प्रचार चल रहा है, पेपर में आ रहा है, आपका इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया में आ रहा है. ऐसे नहीं आता है. देयर इज लॉट ऑफ एडवर्टाइजमेंट.
बैंक ऑफ इंडिया का मुद्रा लोन क्या है, बता दीजिए जरा दर्शकों के लिए फटाफट से.
गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का जो स्कीम है मुद्रा लोन, उसको हम पूरी तरह यहाँ निष्पादित कर रहे हैं. जो गवर्नमेंट की गाइडलाइंस है 2 लाख, 5 लाख, 10 लाख, जिसको जैसा रिक्वायरमेंट है उसके अनुसार लोन दे रहे हैं. और स्पेशली MSME को डेवलप करने के लिए बैंक ऑफ इंडिया ने 2-3 स्कीम अच्छी लॉन्च की है. हमारा वेलकम ऑफर है, उसमें बहुत ही अट्रैक्टिव रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट है. इट इज़ बेस्ड ऑन कोलेटरल सिक्योरिटी अवेलेबल. रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इज अराउंड 9 to 10%, बिटवीन 9 to 10%. वेरी गुड स्कीम.
चली थी, काफ़ी बैंकों ने प्रोटेस्ट भी किया था सरकार के खिलाफ, तो इससे बैंकिंग व्यवस्था पे बुरा असर पड़ेगा. तो व्यक्तिगत तौर पर आपका क्या कहना है कि ये स्कीम सरकार की सही है, बैंकों को मर्ज करना, या इससे बैंक की सेक्टर जो है खत्म होगा?
इसके बारे में हम कुछ कमेंट अभी नहीं कर सकते हैं. ये गवर्नमेंट का डिसीजन है. जब रहेगा तो बैंक अपना टेक ए डिसीजन कॉल ऑन दैट. So I am not the competent authority to tell on that merger.
सर एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन मेरा है सर, हम सुनते हैं टीवी पर कि जीडीपी इंक्रीज हो रही है इंडिया की, आपको क्या बैंक के पीछे साइड पे हैं आप, एक्चुअली लोन्स बढ़ रहे हैं कि क्या आपको लगता है वाकई में जीडीपी इंक्रीज इतनी ज़्यादा हो रही है पिछले 5 साल से या 10 साल से?
अभी जीडीपी जो है हमारा जीडीपी अभी 7% ग्रोथ चल रहा है. दिस ईयर फोरकास्ट हुआ 7% एंड वर्ल्ड बैंक ऑल्सो 7% रखा. नेक्स्ट ईयर हमारा जीडीपी ग्रोथ विल बी 7.3%. बट 5 ट्रिलियन इकोनॉमी और जीडीपी हैज टू ग्रो एट द रेट ऑफ 12%. GDP has to grow 12%, and with all these actions taken by all the banks and the government, I am pretty sure that 12% का GDP हम अचीव कर लेंगे.
12% का आप
बिना 12% 5 ट्रिलियन इकोनॉमी इज नॉट पॉसिबल.
थैंक यू
ये हो सकता है.